Huawei Pura Series A redefining smartphone innovation. K-Mobile Introduction. Welcome to K-Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we're diving into Huawei's Pura series, a bold new chapter in smartphone design and innovation. With cutting-edge camera technology, sleek aesthetics, and powerful hardware, the Pura series is set to make a significant impact in the smartphone market. Design display. Huawei has always been known for its premium craftsmanship, and the Pura series is no exception. With a refined, modern design and ultra-thin bezels, these smartphones offer a stunning visual experience. The high-resolution OLED display provides vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth refresh rates, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Camera innovation. The Pura series continues Huawei's legacy in mobile photography, featuring advanced Leica-inspired eye cameras. These devices deliver exceptional low-light performance, high dynamic range, and professional-grade image processing. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or detailed portraits, the Pura series ensures every shot is picture-perfect. Performance. Battery life. Under the hood, the Pura series is powered by Huawei's latest Kirin chipset, optimized for efficiency and speed. With an improved GPU and AI-driven processing, multitasking and gaming feel seamless. The large battery and super-fast charging technology ensure that you stay powered up throughout the day without interruptions. Software features. Running on HarmonyOS, the Pura series provides a smooth, intuitive, and feature-packed user experience. With enhanced privacy controls, seamless cross-device integration, and a vast app ecosystem, Huawei is proving that it can deliver a compelling alternative to mainstream operating systems. Final thoughts. Huawei's Pura series is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation, offering a blend of cutting-edge design, powerful cameras, and smooth performance. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who values premium design, the Pura series is worth considering. Stay tuned to K-Mobile for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech trends.